Red Bull KTM Factory Racing team is set to compete in the 2025 SuperMotocross, SMX, World Championship, featuring the AMA Supercross, Pro Motocross, and SMX Finals series. The team will showcase a strong lineup of riders across both the 450 and 250 classes, aiming for championship victories throughout the 31-round season. .450 class, Chase Sexton and Aaron Plessinger. In the 450 class, Chase Sexton, riding the KTM 450SXF Factory Edition, seeks to reclaim his 450SX title from 2023 and defend his 450MX Outdoor Championship. Sexton, 25, is targeting his first career 450 SMX crown in the postseason. He emphasized his improved preparation compared to last year, stating, "The goal this season is to win more races than last year. I feel good and ready to start the season." Teammate Aaron Plessinger, 28, enters his fourth term with the team after a breakthrough 2024 season. Plessinger achieved his first Supercross main event win and finished third overall in Pro Motocross before securing a P4 finish in the SMX season finale. Confident and motivated, Plessinger aims to achieve even greater success, saying, "I'm ready to show these guys that I'm here to stick around and that it ain't no game." .250 class, Tom Vialle and Julien Beaumer. The team's 250 class lineup features Tom Vialle and Julien Beaumer, both riding the KTM 250SXF Factory Edition. Vialle, 24, is the reigning 250SX East champion and a two-time MX2 world champion. He aims to defend his Supercross title while pursuing his first 250MX Outdoor Championship. Reflecting on his preparation, Vialle remarked, "I'm happy with the bike, the suspension, and the engine upgrades. The goal is to win another championship next season." At just 18 years old, Julien Beaumer enters his second professional season after earning Rookie of the Year honors in both 250SX and 250MX. Beaumer also achieved a breakout podium finish during the SMX playoffs. Focused on minimizing mistakes from last year, he stated, "I'm confident that I have the fitness and speed to win this year." Team manager's vision and 2025 schedule. Team manager Ian Harrison expressed enthusiasm about the team's readiness for the upcoming season, noting improvements in rider performance and equipment. He said, "We are ready to expand on our success with Chase, Aaron, Tom, and Julien. It's always exciting leading up to Anaheim 1, and we're ready for the challenge ahead." The 2025 season begins on January 11 at Angel Stadium of Anaheim, spanning 17 Supercross rounds, 11 Pro Motocross rounds starting on May 24, and 3 SMX Finals in September. Price of success. The team's commitment to excellence includes investments in advanced technology and training to optimize performance. The price of competing at the highest level includes not only financial resources but also relentless dedication from the riders and staff. This dedication positions Red Bull KTM Factory Racing as a formidable contender for the 2025 SMX season.